Hi everyone! In this video we will subtract rational expressions with different denominators. Subtract 4 over 9f squared g to the 5th minus 2 over 21f to the 4th g to the 3rd. The first thing we need to do is find the common denominator so that we can subtract these fractions. So let's look at the denominators and let's find all of the factors of each of them. Let's start with the first one, 9 f squared g to the 5th, and we'll find all of the factors. 9 is 3 times 3, f squared is f times f, and g to the 5th is g times g times g times g times g. Then the factors for the second one, 21f to the 4th, g to the 3rd, and we'll list those here as 3 and 7, and f to the 4th we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and g to the 3rd we have 1, 2, 3. We are looking for the least common denominator, and so we're going to find any duplicates that we have, and we will use one of those. So I'm going to circle all of our duplicates between the factors, and then all of the ones that don't have a duplicate, we will need one of those as well. So we only need 1 3 here with this duplicate, but we still need this 3 because it doesn't have a partner. And same with the 7. The f's, there's 2 here, and then there's 2 that don't have any. And then we have 3 g's that are in common, and we have 2 that we need that don't have a partner. And then we multiply all of these together to get our lowest common denominator. 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 7 is 63. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 f's, so f to the 4th. And g, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, g to the 5th. Now you can see that the f to the 4th was just the larger of the two variables that we have in the denominator, and we just picked the larger, and same with the g's. And you can do that with the variables if you'd like to speed things up. All right, so now we're going to look for what is missing. Over here on the first one, the denominator has both 3's, but it needs the 7. And we need 2 more f's, so f squared, and we have all 5 g's. So we only need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 7f squared. Now the second denominator has one of the 3's and one of the 7's, so it's missing one of the 3's, so we'll multiply it by a 3, and it has all 4 f's, and it is missing 2 of the g's, so we'll get g squared. And so we multiply the numerator and denominator by 3g squared. Now on the first one, 7f squared times 4, 7 times 4 is 28, so we have 28f squared, and 9 times 7 is 63. F squared times f squared is f to the 4th, and we still have the g to the 5th, which matches our lowest common denominator. So we did it correctly. Then we're going to subtract on the second one. 3 times 21 is 63. We have f to the 4th, and then we have 3 g's and 2 g's, so that gives us g to the 5th. Again, matching the lowest common denominator, which is exactly what we wanted. On the numerator, we have 2 times 3, which is 6, and we have the g squared. Now that we have a common denominator, we can go ahead and subtract these. Then we have 28f squared minus 6g squared, and we keep the common denominator that we worked so hard to get, 63 f to the 4th, g to the 5th. And now we're all done.